Hey, welcome to my last week at Columbia, as well as my last week in New York City. I basically just took a bunch of videos throughout my last week of me packing to move to California, as well as me just hanging out with my friends and saying my final goodbye for the summer. This is a bit of what my last week in New York looked like, starting with me going to the Met with my friend Natalie.
Hey, she's back.
I'm back! We are at the Met. Finally.
Finally, leaving the stunning.
Leaving the what?
Leaving the library is stunning.
I've been wanting to come to the Met since like August, and I've just been putting it off.
No, it's been. I'm excited to see like any of the exhibits too, because I know they always have like cool stuff going on.
Yeah. Walked around the Met for about an hour and kind of just caught up before we parted ways for the summer. We didn't get to see all of it, and it was quite crowded, so I think I'll come back by myself next time, probably in the fall when I'm back for school. And then we said bye to each other, and I walked around the Upper East Side for a bit, but it was raining and I didn't have an umbrella, so I went to a cafe and I think I just got some tea or something and did some work on my laptop. And then when the rain stopped, I went walking around Central Park. It was a pretty chill day. I didn't really do a lot. Wait, no, it looks
Wait, why am I like so? Hold on, let me get closer to you.
Hello, happy
Hi, guys.
Monday.
Oh my god, it is Monday.
Yeah. So we just finished hot yoga at Fierce Grace in Harlem.
So good.
I'm doing hot yoga every single day today.
Oh yeah. Oh god, really?
Or not today, this week.
Yeah, me too. I'm be like 3
Every
days.
single day. So today's
excited.
day one. It was good. I'd rate it like a 9 out of 10.
Oh yeah,
That was good.
for sure.
The music
and
was kind of loud.
He's like a new instructor, so I was like pleasantly surprised. He did look really good.
I found the music was too loud.
And the music was too
Yeah.
loud as well. It was just too, and it was also just too like upbeat. Like I kind of like more like serene music.
So yeah, we'll see you tomorrow. Hello, happy Monday. So I walked to yoga. I had a hot yoga class at noon, and then I'm walking back to my place now. And yeah, it is my last week in New York, and I was trying to make a list of like things I want to do before I leave, but honestly, there's like nothing that I really want to do. I feel like I've done, not that like I've done like everything there is to do in New York, but I just like don't really feel like that eager to like really do anything else. I do want to go to Brooklyn sometime this week. I think I'll do that. Yeah, I am trying to build like a good, or not good, I should say, I'm trying to build a like mindful morning routine where I like go on a walk every morning and do yoga. And like the walk doesn't have to be super long, like at least like, I think at least like 20-30 minutes, and then at least like 10-15 minutes of yoga every morning. I didn't do that yesterday, but I did it today, and I feel so much better today, and I just feel so like just calm. And I feel like this morning I woke up and I just like woke up so frazzled, but after that yoga class I feel like so much more grounded and centered. And I feel like that's like the theme of my summer when I'm in Cali, is just like taking care of my body and just being mindful and grounded. So yeah, today is my get my shit together day. I'm gonna do laundry. I have some admin things to do, and yeah, I'm just trying to like get my shit together before I leave to Cali. Hello. So I am trying to figure out my housing for like the first 2.5 weeks of my internship, because I have housing in Cali from June to August, like on campus, but the last 2 weeks of May I don't have housing, so I'm trying to figure that out. But the Bay Area is so expensive. My friend is also getting married in Italy in August, and I'm trying to figure that out also because I really want to go. It's just expensive, and New York is expensive, California is expensive, Colombia is expensive. I feel like life is just so expensive, but I really want to go to the wedding. So yeah, I'm trying to figure that out as well. And then later that day, I went down to Brooklyn with my friends to go to this event hosted by one of the Black student organizations / clubs at Columbia. And yeah, it was really fun and cute, and glad I got to say bye to all my friends before leaving for the summer. Hello, happy Tuesday. So I just finished an exam, and now I'm off to yoga with my friend again. I was almost gonna cancel, but then I was like, no, let me just submit this exam and go to class, go to yoga class, and I am excited. I'm going to the same studio that I went to yesterday. I think this is like probably like one of my favorite studios in New York. Gonna drop something. Oh, I did. Hello.
Hey guys.
So it's Tuesday,
Day
night.
2.
It's 9 p.m. I think, right?
Yeah.
We just finished our second 2 out of 7. 2 out of 7. No,
Yeah.
actually 3 out of 7 because I started on Sunday.
Oh, okay. Well, Plan's ahead of me. This is my 2. This is my second one. Yeah.
This was so good. This is
I
like
know.
100 out of 10.
Guys, it's finals week and we're at the gym.
Well,
doing
not the
it,
gym.
killing it.
Not the gym.
Whatever. We're at the yoga studio. killing
Yeah.
it.
I'm so glad
So,
I came.
I know.
I almost
it literally
did
feels so good. We like sweat all.
Yeah.
stress
It feels
out.
so good. Like I love
I
just,
know.
like,
I know.
I love dripping in sweat.
Oh yeah. Soaking. Yeah.
Okay,
For
see you
sure.
tomorrow.
Bye.
Day 3, day 4. Hello. So today I have been moving out of this room. I'm moving in to live with my friend in the fall. But like I'm moving my stuff there now because I'm gonna be gone for the summer. Yeah, moving is really tough. I feel like it's so hard. Like adulting is just so hard. I'm like, I don't want to do this by myself. I was like moving my stuff into the place, and like I literally saw 3 rats just like run across the street, and I was just so disgusted and I screamed and I ran. And I was like, adulting is just too hard. Adulting in New York by yourself without any help is so hard. But it's okay. We move. So on Wednesday, I went to another hot yoga class, but this time I went in the morning and I went to a different location. This one is around the Midtown area, I believe. It's a really nice studio. I love coming here and I just always feel so relaxed and mindful after any session I've had here. And they give us tea at the end, which I just love. And yeah, I don't know. It just feels so relaxing and peaceful. And by now I had finished exams, so I just had a lot of free time. So I ended up just walking around the area and just went for a really, really long walk around the lower Manhattan area. Hello, happy Wednesday. I went to a yoga class today. I thought it was gonna be hot yoga, but it wasn't heated. I thought it would be because it said the room would get heated, but it didn't really. And now I've just been like walking around Manhattan. This is probably gonna be like my last time coming to like lower Manhattan until the fall, or like I guess late summer. I think I'm either gonna go to the library or I'm gonna go to a cafe somewhere. I will see. The yoga was so nice today. The studio that I went to this morning, it's my second time there. It's called Humming Puppy. Yeah, just like Humming Puppy, I think. And yeah, it was just so nice and restful. So I continued walking around Lower Manhattan, and then I went to Chinatown and I got some food there. And then I took the train to the New York Public Library because I'd been wanting to go for a while. So I ended up getting Chinese food. I went to Chinatown and then I got Chinese food. Then I went to the New York Public Library, and the room I went to, you're like not allowed to take pictures there, which I didn't know that, but yeah, it was really pretty. And I feel like walking around, I know I'm gonna be back in a couple months, but I'm gonna miss New York so much. Like, I don't know, I just love the city and I just like love being in the city. I was talking to my friend about how like when you leave New York, you leave with knowing that there's still so much you haven't done and there's so much that you still want to do. Spending my summer in Cali will be a really nice break, but I'm definitely gonna miss the city. especially like summer New York. I'm gonna miss that, but it's okay. I have next year to experience that. Then Thursday evening, I ended up finally making my way to Brooklyn. This has been something that I had been wanting to do for a very long time, to just walk around and explore the area. Hello, happy Thursday. I went to a hot yoga class this morning, or this afternoon, of course, and then I like just packed in my room. I feel like when you start packing up your room, it feels like you don't have that much stuff. Like when you're just like, when everything is like in its place, and then you start packing and you're like, oh, like I didn't know I had this. I've been like finding things that I totally forgot I even had. But I got like pretty much all my packing done today, and then I went to Brooklyn because I haven't spent a lot of time in Brooklyn because I live in Upper Manhattan, so I was like I really want to just like walk around Brooklyn before I go. So I've just spent the evening just walking around. I might go to a cafe and get like tea or something. But yeah, I feel like this Thursday was pretty calm. I didn't really do a lot. So New York is like really, really rainy. I did not anticipate it to be so rainy, but like, yeah, it's been such a rainy year. It's like, I feel like it's like always raining like twice a week, at least. I walked around for a little bit more, and then I found my way to a cafe nearby, and I ended up just getting some peppermint tea, and I headed home. Hello, it is my last day in New York. I am packing up my room. I'm almost done. It has taken me like the whole week to pack, but I've just been like slowly packing my things. I think I need like one more hour, and then I'm gonna go downtown to meet a friend. I became friends with her. I went to a berries class like a month ago, and I started talking to this girl in the change room, and now we're low-key like friends. So I'm gonna go see her, and then I'm going to Lagos with a couple other friends, and then I'm leaving to California tomorrow morning at 3 a.m. I'm excited, and it's so crazy to think, and I'm glad I'm documenting this, but it's just so crazy to think like I'm finished my first year at Columbia, my first year in New York. Yeah. Hello. So everything is completely packed in my room. So crazy. It's like all empty, and I am headed out now. Yeah, so I'm headed out now. It's my last night in New York. I'm so excited to just like be in California, and yeah, I'm excited for my summer. But yeah, thank you so much for watching the vlog if you're still watching. And yeah, bye. And then I went out with my friends. We went to Lagos, which is in Times Square, and yeah, it was a fun time. And making this vlog has made me miss New York so much, and I honestly cannot wait to be back in the city. And if you are still watching, thank you so much. Bye.